Alright guys, I thought you might find this interesting. I'm just sitting here minding my own business, having a beer this afternoon. Just got home from work. It's an IPA. It's bitter. I like it. Um, I had leaking wheel cylinder recently in my 1938 Chrysler. And I happen to have a spare wheel cylinder here. I didn't want to use it really. It's just a spare new one. I wanted to reseal what I had. It was leaking and it was rusty. It happens. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. Is that a hydroscopic or hydrogrospic or whatever? It absorbs moisture. And as it sits, brake fluid turns a browny color. That's rust from the steel inside your brake lines and at your wheel cylinders, pistons. They rust, right? So change your brake fluid when it starts to turn color. That's not a bad plan. But the other thing is, I just wanted to clean up the brake cylinder that was leaking, put it back in the car. Just do the one for now. I know I got to go through all of them because they're in crap condition probably. The car is not seeing much use. So I have my spare wheel cylinder kit here. I just popped it apart. I took one of the seals and cleaned everything up, and the one I pulled out of my car, and I used emery cloth and I cleaned everything in here, and I cleaned my pistons, cleaned everything up, put it back together, and it worked. It's great. I got no leaks. Then I got to looking online, and I thought I better get 3 more brake cylinder kits, or more, sorry. I used parts out of my spare here. Get some more brake cylinder kits on order. I started looking online, and I'm in Canada, and man, the freight is just ridiculous. And there's some aftermarket suppliers out there. They're charging a premium. They're probably just taking a box like this, throwing that away, and selling you this for whatever they want, right? But on eBay, when I looked up 1938 Plymouth wheel cylinders, this Raybestos kit comes up, WK6, and it does say on here that it's made in China, right there. Made in China. Not the end of the world, right? But you think, oh, well, the quality of the rubber, it's not as good as it used to be, and it's gonna leak, whatever. You hear it all, right? I figure I'll roll the dice, make sure they're the right size. So I get it here, I pop it open. I got 2 new piston seals, and they are the right size. The larger size is 1 3/8, and the smaller size is 1 1/4 for this stepped wheel cylinder, 2 different bores. Perfect, right? I think, oh well, they're made in China, whatever. But if you look inside the box that says made in China, look at this. Right there. Made in USA. No. That's nice USA rubber. Here's the other one, made in USA. Is USA a place in Taiwan? I heard rumors one time that USA was the name of a town in Taiwan. I don't know. Is that crap? And the pistons seals. Look at that. Made in USA. Made in USA. So I got no reason to complain. They're doing a good job building stickers in China and maybe cardboard boxes and putting USA parts in a box. And are we really taking parts that are made in the USA, shipping them to China, they're putting them in a box, and they're putting made in China on it, and then sending it back to North America? How do you make money doing that? These kits cost me each one cost me $12. I've ordered 2. I'm ordering 3 more. Or sorry, I ordered 2. Ordering 2 more. My math. I need another drink. So there you go. WK6 fits a 1938 Plymouth. We know it fits a 1938 Chrysler. I think that might fit my 38 Plymouth too. But I'm not taking a wheel cylinder off to check at this point. But there you go. Made in USA, good quality parts. But this entire wheel cylinder that I bought off of a Mopar specialist seller known around the world, his rubber seals do not say made in USA, so we kind of know where those came from. And neither does the piston seal. It's not made in USA. So there you go. Buyer beware. Cheers. See you on the next one. Enjoy your Mopar. Is this video now not available for children because I just did that? Whatever.